I'm killing it. It's a structure game. I don't know. I mean, let's see. This one naturally fell. I don't know what that one's doing. This fell and broke down that side, but it cracked it up top. That tree, I think, fell from over here. There's a stump. And then, so that would explain literally that, and maybe that. But then these, it's unclear where that all came from. And you know what? It's a lovely structure. 10 out of 10. If anyone's listening, 10 out of 10.